Let's look at how to mark complete attendees who have already attended a training session. We'll start by making sure we're on the Administration tab, and now we'll go over here and click on Users, open up Tools on the left-hand column, and we'll click on this tab that says Record Learning Multiple. Now we're going to check the first box here for item, and now we need to find the class that we want to mark the attendees for. To do that, we can click the icon here to search. This will open up the search box, and we can type in something in order to find the class that we're looking for. I'm going to type in leadership, and let's see if we find it. And here it is. Here is the Leadership 101 class that I want to mark the attendees for. So I'll check this box and click Add. Now I'm ready to move on to the next page, and so I'll go over to the upper right-hand corner and click Next. Now we have the class session in place that we want to work with, and now we simply need to add the users. In order to do that, we can click the search icon over here on the right-hand side to open up the user ID list. This actually opens up this search box for user IDs. Now we can just click Search, and that will open up the entire user list for the entire company. And we could go through this and pick off names one at a time, but that's pretty cumbersome. So let's pare down our list to make it easier. In order to do that, let's go over to the left tab under Search. And now let's add some criteria into our search in order to pare down the list to make it a lot easier. To do that, we can click this Add Remove Criteria. This will open up another box, and I'm going to add, let me scroll down here, I'm going to add city. Actually, I'm going to change that to domain. And if I scroll all the way down, let me open this up and hit Select. And now you notice that domain has been added as a search criteria. So now under domain, I'm going to choose the Melbourne site, which I know is MLB. And now let's click Search. And we'll see the total number of records now has really come down from the total that we had before. So now we have only users in the Melbourne domain. And now I could go through this list and pick out the users that I want to add to my session. So let me just pick a couple of names from the top here. And click Add. And now you see the names have been populated on the right-hand side here. If I made a mistake, I can remove one of the names. Now that we have the session and the names in place, we can go up to the upper right-hand corner and click Next. And now we can decide how we want to add each of those people in the group. So under grade, for this course, there isn't a numerical grade, so I'm simply going to type in Pass. And then I'm going to open up this drop-down and say class is complete for credit. Now when I hit Next, all the people that were in the list are going to be marked with a grade of passing and having completed the course for credit.